Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the laptop has enough power and no physical Wi-Fi kill switch is engaged. That prevents false troubleshooting. Once ready, open Start, go to Settings, then Network and Internet so you're in the right control area. Click Airplane Mode in the left pane to reveal the toggle and device list. This displays which radios are controlled. You do this now because changing global toggles before checking device states can mask driver or hardware issues. Once done toggling airplane mode, inspect radios. Open Device Manager and expand network adapters to see if your Wi-Fi or Bluetooth adapters are disabled or show errors. If an adapter is disabled, right-click and enable it. If it has a warning, update the driver through the device properties or roll back to a known working version, because driver corruption often flips airplane mode. Make sure to restart the adapter after changes so Windows can reinitialize the radio stack and report accurate state. Finally, run the Windows Network Troubleshooter and restart the laptop to let automatic repairs apply. If that fails, use Network Reset to reinstall network components and reboot once more. If airplane mode still persists, check BIOS. Some Dells allow disabling wireless there, and a BIOS update can fix firmware bugs. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, create a restore point earlier or backup, then perform a system restore or factory reset. Because persistent airplane.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.